Okay, welcome back to our Planet IX tutorial. Back to basic. At this time, I will show you how to create area rare territory. Okay, when you said rare, rare area territory, you need to complete 40 kind of picks. Okay, so first thing to do is to find the territory. Okay. Find the territory, Yemen. Okay. So now let us wait to show up the territory that we're going to create. So as you can see here, I have a possible area. Okay, so let me try to create. Okay, so if you are using computer or PC, okay, make sure that the create territory icon is you can see or it shows in your computer or in your mobile. So every time you click the pix, if there is an unminted pix, it will show on the screen if there is a problem. Okay, so how many is it? Okay, so I think one more, another one. Okay, so I have now selected 40 picks. So let's create now. Okay, okay, now I already created the area territory. Now, next topic, okay, I will put it on the tile. So let me open the mission control. Okay, let's change connected, okay. My signal is a bit low, slow, turtle net. Okay, for the new players, new subscribers, you can share my video to other players. Okay, so this is the picks that we are going to change. So I will go now to overview, okay, and then district B, okay, tile B, and then let me try to remove one at a time. Okay, let me take photo, okay, and then confirm. I'm trying to remove one at a time the peaks and the facility on the tile. I hope it will succeed. If it is not succeeded, I have to make it one by one. Let's see. Let's check it. If it is failed. Okay, failed again. So let's do it one by one. Let me refresh the base. So first thing to remove is the facility. Okay, removing facility. And then confirm. Takes time. What happened? It's pending. So speed up. Okay. I think it's success. Confirm. Okay. So next step is removing the rare peaks. Remove. Confirm. Come on. Okay, now next step is to build and then go to area rare. Okay. So in this situation, as you can see, no item found. Okay. So what we are going to do is go back to Net Empire and then you will get the fix or the territory ID, and then you will copy the territory ID. Okay, and then go back to build. In here, at the example, paste the territory ID and then search. Okay, as you can see here now, it come out the area. Okay, and then click to the build section or the tile, confirm to your connected wallet, and that's it. Okay, successfully done. Successfully done. Now industry, and then Rajat Garden will go, put it back. All right, I got a message that I already transferred my facility to the mission control tile. So that's it. That's it for now. Recap. We create the territory, okay, and then we transfer the facility to mission control, okay. So, congratulations, Planet IX, Territorial Planet IX Corporation. Okay, this is our account. Okay, so let's see the overview. All right. Okay, so let me just take photo. Okay, so that's all for now. This is your captain. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can be updated for my upcoming tutorials. Ciao guys, God bless.